Just look at this video. This is not Runway ML Gen 2. In fact, this is better than Gen 2. So this is called Rerender a Video Zero Shot Text Guided Video to Video Translation. I know this is a lengthy name, but this is something really big. So this is a new research that is based on stable diffusion models. Well, this is not something new, but this is something better. Because we have already seen some videos based on diffusion models, but the problem with those videos is lack of consistency, and that's what they have solved. And if we look at the demos they have shared, this is superb. You just have to give it an input video and then you can change it into any style like CGI woman, color painting, black and white, or whatever prompt you enter. And here are some other demo videos where you can see how smooth and consistent videos are. So the working is simple. First, it generates keyframes using stable diffusion model and forced to keep shape, texture and colors same. Then it propagates the keyframe to other frames. I know this is oversimplification, but this is the simplest way to understand this model. So this is the perfect example to compare it with normal diffusion based videos. And look at the before and after, where you can see the artifacts, lags and lack of consistency in stable diffusion video, but after that, look at the same video, how smooth it is. And these are some experimental results in comparison to other video models, where you can see an input video of a sculpture, then they give it a prompt to convert it into a handsome Greek man, and just look at the results, how realistic it is, while the other models are not even close to it. Well, I don't even heard about these models before, and if you guys know about this, please let me know in the comment section. And these are some even more realistic examples like this one, where it turned a dog into fox, then hamster, then rabbit, and just look at the output quality, how realistic it is. Obviously these kind of things never exist, but this is the beauty of AI, to think beyond imagination. Why I compared this model to Gen 2? Because right now, Gen 2 is the only video model that most people know about. In fact, Gen 2 is a text-to-video model, but this is a video-to-video model. So this is more comparable to Gen 1 because Gen 1 is also video-to-video model, and this is far better than Gen 1. Right now, this is not publicly available, but they will release it soon, and I'm very excited for this model. So that was a quick update about Rerender Video Model, and if you guys want to stay updated what's going on in the world of AI, make sure to subscribe Planet AI. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.